Welcome to our channel, where we bring you insights into the fascinating and often unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. Before we start, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you quality content. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, we're here to guide you through this complex landscape. So buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's explore together the potential of turning a small investment into a fortune. Stay tuned and let's embark on this thrilling journey. Imagine transforming a mere $10 into a staggering $5,000. Sounds incredible, right? Well, in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, possibilities like this exist. Today, we'll delve into 4 cryptos, each under $10, that hold the potential to make this dream a reality. Our first stop is Shiba Inu, a decentralized meme token that grew in popularity during the meme coin boom. Despite its humble beginnings, Shiba Inu's growth has been nothing short of extraordinary, making it a potentially lucrative investment. With a current price well under a penny, your $10 could buy a substantial amount of Shiba Inu tokens. If Shiba's trajectory continues to follow its current path, your small investment today could yield remarkable returns in the future. Next on the list is Terra Classic, or LUNC. This crypto has been making waves for its unique approach to blockchain technology. By integrating with existing financial systems, Terra Classic aims to make crypto transactions as commonplace as using credit cards. With its current price under $10, it's an attractive investment with substantial upside potential. Our third contender is Pendle, a protocol that allows users to trade tokenized future yield. Pendle's innovative approach to DeFi could be a game changer, making it a crypto to keep on your radar. At under $10 a token, Pendle presents an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a potentially revolutionary platform. Finally, we have Fetch.ai, or FET, a project that combines blockchain and artificial intelligence. Fetch.ai aims to create a decentralized digital world where autonomous software agents perform useful tasks. With a price tag under $10, Fetch.ai represents an exciting intersection of 2 cutting-edge technologies, AI and blockchain. To recap, Shiba Inu, Terra Classic, Pendle, and Fetch.ai are 4 cryptos under $10 that could potentially turn your small investment into a whopping $5,000. They represent a mixture of established and emerging projects with unique value propositions and significant growth potential. As always, remember that the world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable. While these cryptos show promise, it's crucial to do your research and invest responsibly. So there you have it. 4 cryptos that could potentially turn your $10 into $5,000. The world of cryptocurrency is full of opportunities, and these 4 cryptos just might be your ticket to a fortune. Happy investing. Scene 9. Appreciation and support. Thank you all for tuning in and joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Your engagement and support are crucial in our endeavor to bring you quality, informative content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on cryptocurrency. Remember, the world of crypto is volatile and always changing, so stay curious, stay vigilant, and happy investing.